it's convenient.
Yeah. So day 2. Right now we're going for continental breakfast. So we're just gonna go to the elevator. Here's the pool. This is the hotel. Okay, go. So this is the breakfast. You make your own waffles.
I just ordered this. Yeah?
Yeah. Close small. Read the instructions. Rotate.
This is the fail.
That's cool. Go. And it's done. So we're heading for the pool now. Okay. Oh, it's a pretty small pool. Hot tub looks dirty. Oh, but you could go from the inside to the outside pool. 4 feet. How much is 4 feet? No. So I'm going upstairs now. Breakfast was okay. Waffles. And there's toast there too, but oh, cereal too. Am I going up now? Oh. So here's the pool. Lounge area. 3 feet, 4 feet. Got some bikes here. So right now I'm just gonna go back to my car and get my sandals. So these shoes. Oh yeah, right over there. Here's a nice, beautiful day. Nice. You can see the mountains over there. Nice area. And it's the restaurant from yesterday. There's a nice hill over there. Hey guys, so here we are at the village of Tremblant. There's a lot of parking here. We paid $10 because it's really close by, and It's not bad. It's only $10. This is nice here. And then some condos on top there. It's really nice. So this is Mont Tremblant. Hey guys, so we're not going to the village right now. We have tickets for the ferry first. So we're gonna go there, walk there. I don't know how long it's gonna walk, but it should be fun. So
we go to New York, Labor Day weekend. New York. No.
oh boy, ferry's still over there, and we have to walk all the way over there. Oh, there's a swamp here. Nice clouds. That's a nice view. So we're still not at the ferry yet, but there's a nice beach here for those who want to come or something like that. Helicopter! Nice houses here, or a condo. Here's another beach. Oh. Okay, so we just missed the ferry and we have to wait another hour before it comes, but that's okay. At least there's a cabin here, we can just rest up and wait. It's pretty good. So it's a nice place here. Why me?
Because you take pictures.
Hindi na tayo babalik dito pag sumakay tayo dito.
Hindi pa rin tayo mapalik.
Tapos, maglalakad na naman tayo papuntang Gandola.
Yup.
Saan ang sakay ng Gandola?
Doon.
Babalik tayo doon sa sasakyan?
Yep.
Oh my.
They should bring a running this.
There's bus or taxi. orange juice.
All the vegetation came along and the wind and the snow and the rain all moved up the tops of those mountains. So the Laurentian Mountains are the oldest mountain in the world. And just by their shape and say that. And one positive thing of having the lumber companies cutting all our pine trees is that they take the other kind of trees, you know. I can't work anymore. Wow. So having all our pine plants around here that they present other kind of trees to grow and that's why we have such beautiful colors all around. But before the war, we didn't have any maple trees or beech or birch. It was mostly pine trees around. Was making sure that everybody was respecting it by hunting and trapping only when they needed for their meal food that same day. So if they were taking more, it's because they were taking it from the future generation, and that can upset the common. And when the earth was trembling, they thought it was the common too that was upset and made the earth trembling. So they were looking for the guilty ones that were taking more than was supposed to. And actually they tried to scare the white man a lot with that story when we came in the region and took some of their territories. But as you can see today, it didn't last too long for them that we were afraid.